What's going on, guys? Long time no see. I do apologize. I had a lot of stuff going on. I lost my mom on the 3rd of August 2022. So that was a big hit, and then I've just been so busy with other stuff. I hadn't really had any good time to make video or nothing like that. So I'm going to start off with a fairly easy one. This is going to be a garden trowel, or like a garden hand shovel. This is made out of 3/16 steel. I'm going to try to custom make this. This is going to be more for metal detecting and that kind of stuff. So it's going to be really heavy duty. I'm kind of thinking of making this the handle. It's just an old railroad spike. We'll cut that off, and then since it's made to be hit on the back, might be a little long lasting, I guess. I did measure 2 inches over. We'll wind up bending this up 90 degrees, and then measured over from here to here. That's 8 inches. We'll cut that off, and then we'll actually make the shape of it. And I don't know if I can bend this or not. This is really thick stuff. Like I said, it's 3/16, so it's pretty thick. I don't know if I'll be able to bend it to kind of make the cup part of it. So, all right, hang on, I'll get back with you. Okay, so hold your ears. I'm going to put this on the saw here, and hopefully it'll cut straight. I don't know. Anyways, in order to put that bend in there, I'm going to have to cut the back part of it off, and then make the bend, and then put the back on there, and then weld that on. I kind of wanted to do it all with one piece, but I figured with what I have, that's going to be kind of impossible. So, all right, watch yours. Let's go to the next step. I don't know if you can see the line. I've got the line on there, and I do have my eyes and my ears, which these are kind of expensive, but man, I find myself wearing them a lot. I did upgrade to this gel earpiece, and I'll put both of those in the link in the description under the Amazon affiliate link. This has a Bluetooth AM/FM radio, so and it does a really good job of its actual function of not making you go deaf. So anyways, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to score this so I'll be able to see the line. And actually, instead of plunge cutting all the way through with the cutoff disc, you're actually supposed to keep scoring it and scoring and scoring it, and your fiber disc will last a little bit longer. Just a FYI for you. And that disc is it's about done. I don't know how well you can see, but I do have a mark down the middle of this, and I'm going to score this pretty deep, and that's how we're going to be able to bend this, because I don't really have a jig or anything like that set up to bend this thick of metal. So we're just going to score this down here, see if we can bend it then, and then we'll just fill it back in. Sorry, I ran out of memory. Rookie mistake. Okay, so I got this. Put water on there to help cool it down. Let's see. You can kind of see through it in a couple of sections, which is fine. But I wanted to be able to bend this, and I cut mostly through on the end of this because I wanted it to be a definite. And then I left a few of these tabs on here, so yeah. Okay. So now we will get this away from, yeah, we'll hit it away from this. I do have just a little hammer here. Let's see if we can bring that over. I don't want a full 90, obviously. Got a 135 degrees on there. Where that's at. That's where we'll keep that. And we'll come back and weld all this stuff up. Let's go set up the welder and we'll get back to it. Alright, so I don't know how well y'all are going to see this, and I don't want to mess up my camera, so I'll kind of do the best I can for a couple of these. Then I'm just going to go all the way down here, and I might flip it over just to see if I get good penetration through the parts that's all the way through, like here, here, and here. So super hot. So looks pretty good. I think it went most of the way through, but I'm just going to put a light bead over the whole thing just to be safe, and then we'll grind it down. So, alright, I'll get back with you. Okay, so got the railroad spike, and I cut the end of it off, and then I beveled the end a little bit. I want this kind of close to the edge, but on top, so it gives me more leverage whenever I'm digging. Let's hope these welds hold. Alright, I'll get back with you. Alrighty. All done-ish, I guess, for the most part. Went back through and got my big old, what is this, 9 inch, I think. Oh, 7 inch. That big old behemoth. And what I did was I just made it go like flat across the top of this. And that, they gave me a little bit of an edge right there. And then I came back through with a cutting disc and measured every 1/2 inch. And then I just did a 45-degree cut and used a cutoff wheel, just the kerf of the cutoff wheel, and rounded off the edges of this, a little bit on the edges of this. I think I'm going to keep this on here. I could ground that off and make it smooth, but I don't think it's really going to hurt one way or the other. So yeah, and then it's all set, so I have more leverage. It's pretty heavy. I'd say it's probably 2 pounds, maybe. I'd say probably 2 pounds. But this thing should never break. Alright, so I was thinking about coming in here and grinding off all these welds, but I don't know. I might come up to maybe up in here, however close this will let me get without, you know, hitting this. So looks like maybe about right there. It's as far up as I can get. The other thing on this side, I did decide to go ahead and grind off these welds. So I'll grind this off, and then I think I might actually go ahead and powder coat this. Alright, so this is how I got it set up. I got the ground here. I am using a bright yellow. And the way I figured is if I drop it, leave it sitting somewhere. Okay. Now, if I remember correctly, pull this button that activates it. So let's, there we go. Here we go. Not going to be a really good one, but it's a little thin right there. But it'll be alright. Again, it's just a digging tool. Just trying to keep it from rusting is all. Alright, I'll get back with y'all. Alrighty, there we go. Echo off. So, yeah, as you can tell, it's a little, not all that great, but, hold on a second. This. Well, I will say that very nice. Missed a spot there. Oh, that looks horrible, but that's okay. I'm not too concerned about that because this part, at least, I would say at least from here to there is pretty much going to be gone with paint and stuff. So, but like I said, other than that little spot, and there's a little spot there, a little spot there, a little spot there, but better than it was, and I'm okay with it. Look at that sunset. Man, oh man. Alright, so I did get a new metal detector. This is a Vibra-Tector. Anyways, it's fully waterproof, and that's kind of why I got it. So you can see that going on. Okay. Okay, so something is right in here. What the heck? I guess I could. If I needed the extra leverage. There we go. So, thing is with this one is that there's no discrimination on it, but like I said, it's fully waterproof. So sitting on the beach, here would be at the lake. It'd be good to just kind of sit around and see what you can find. All right, just plug your little hole back in. All right, so look in the description below. I'll put a link for this here. It seems like it'll be a pretty good little metal detector. Something small, tiny, you can kind of keep. Like I said, it's waterproof, easy to use, but it's right now I think it's $179 on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description below. Might do some more videos on this, might not, I don't know. But anyways, so the shovel, yeah, it being so thick kind of hurts it more than helps it, just because you have more material that's trying to cut in, but I'll never have to worry about breaking this. There's no way I'll be able to break this. So and then with these, that'll be able to cut roots and stuff like that. They're kind of sharp, so like you can see it catching on my fingers. Again, not too happy with missing a couple spots here. I should have done better and set up a better method of powder coating, but it is what it is. There's some coverage there. That is where it rubbed going into the oven. So, and it's just really light right there. Alright, well, y'all comment, rate. Thanks for watching. Again, sorry this took so long. Look for the Amazon affiliate link below, and comment and rate. I really do appreciate everybody that watches and comments and thumbs up and stuff like that. It helps the algorithm, and hopefully I can get back to making some more videos for you guys. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. See ya.